Hindi ka ba napapagod sa kakaasam ng mga bagay na wala ka? Para sa mabungang buhay tayo na po't magkapet pandasal. Do you constantly crave the next big thing, even after getting what you wanted, only to find the excitement fades fast? It's easy to lose sight of gratitude in our busy world, always chasing the latest phone or achievement and forgetting the blessings you already have. But truly appreciating what you have brings lasting well being and joy. Shifting your focus from what's missing to the crucial support of family and friends or the importance of your health even after tough times. This recognition of blessings, even small ones, builds grit and helps you face future challenges with a more positive attitude. What's one thing you can be grateful for today? Manalangin po tayo. Panginoon, buksan mo ang aking mga mata sa mga biyayang nasa akin na, upang matagpuan ko ang namamalaging kagalakan at maging isang nagpapasalamat sa saksi ng iyong biyaya. Amen.